Hey, welcome back to another lead up video. Today I'm trying something new and I'm showing you the Macart tips that I'm going to use today. And guys, it's been so long since I've used nail tips because as you guys know, I do have a nail glue allergy. So I've used forms for several years now. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this method. I saw Femi Beauty doing this. I think it was like a DIY for the Apris kit. So yeah, or the Apris method that they use. But I'm using these tips instead, and I do a few things. I'm sorry. I do a few things that are different probably because I honestly don't remember exactly every step she did, but yeah, you'll see throughout the video. So I wanted to show you here that you just put a little bit on the well of the tip, just like you would nail glue, and then you cure it. And I found a good way. I was showing you I'll show you to hold the nail like that and then flip it over and then put it on and then let the light hit it for like a second or two, and then you could put your finger in. This way it's easier for you to do on yourself, because what I have noticed on videos that I've seen with people trying it is that it's hard to cure without having to hold it. So that's what I do, and I just wanted to give you that tip. Okay. And what else did I want to tell you? So yeah, I was really excited to do this method, and I think it is beginner friendly because it's the first time I'm doing it. So, and I found it very easy and it was very fast to just slap on like a quick little set. And I needed to do it because again, I did feel a little naked. And when I don't have my nails on, I just go to town on my nails. It's not that I chew them, it's that I keep picking at them and like, I don't know, peeling it, whatever. But again, it is not the acrylic that does that to my nails. It is me, okay? I do it. I don't know. It's like soothing. I don't know why. People probably find that it's like, ugh, but it is what it is. And that's why I love nails so much, because you can change it up. You can switch it up. You can go from 0 to 100 very quickly. So yeah, I'm just going to do a little set to show you. Like I said, it's beginner friendly. My niece is newborn and I'm going to meet her. Just have a few things going on and I cannot wait. Every day my brother sends me pictures and I just stare at the picture, just like admiring her, like, oh my gosh, she's so precious. She looks like she's just perfect and she looks like a doll. Okay, she's so cute. So all right, I'm gonna stop laughing. So so if I had $1 for every time I said so, yeah, I'm old school like that. Whatever. So here I'm putting dehydrator. Oh, what I wanted to tell you is that you see how I put the tips on and then I go straight to dehydrating the nail? No, don't do that. So my tip is, since this is why I go through these steps, is to show you what to do better, right? Is to file and shape and blend the tip into your nail. So file and shape it before you do this. I did not do that. I just cut the nails and I went straight into dehydrating and putting the primer on, okay? So what you need to do is, you file it, shape it, blend the tip in a little bit, clean it off with alcohol, and then you do this step. Because what happens is that there's always a bump on that little part where the tip meets the nail. So with each layer that you're applying for the base coat, you can still see because that bump was always there. So it's always like, later on I try to file it down and blend it. But in order to avoid it, blend the tip or just use tips that are well-less and they're flush. Well-less, yes. Tips that are well-less and they are flush with your natural nail, and then you don't have to worry about that. But, so yeah, I go in here and I do a coat I did my prep dehydrated primer. And in this video, well, when I'm doing it, what I do is I do the coat of base, and then I go in and file it. And then what happens is I'm filing it, I'm shaping it, and then there's that powder gets everywhere, so I have to use alcohol and get rid of that tacky layer. And I feel like that tacky layer is what helps each layer adhere better. So that's why I'm saying don't do it in that order. File first, blend just like you would like in a acrylic application, and then start with your layers like this. So if you don't know what I'm saying, I can do like a short video of doing one nail in the order I think that you should do it, and I'm sure that would be extremely helpful. Excuse me. But yeah, I had to oh gosh, excuse me. I am in the closet once again because there's a lot of construction going on around my house, and it's just super noisy. And I needed a cup of coffee to give me a little bit of energy because, you know, sometimes my voice sounds a little like a little bit monotone. But hey, for those of you, I got a comment before saying, oh, your voice is so relaxing. And I'm like, awesome. Then, you know, if my video is helpful in any way, then great. I'm happy. Okay. Because I put the work in and it's helping somebody out there. Whether it's, you know, it's relaxing you or you're learning something, fantastic. And you want to go to bed and you can't sleep, slap on one of Gemelita's videos so you can fall asleep, then you know what? Boom. I did my good deed for the day. But yeah. So now I go in, and I think this is where what am I doing? The other side? Yeah. I'm just doing. You know what's really satisfying is after you put in the tips and everything, or after you have the tips on like this and you go over with the base again, it kind of fills everything in really nicely. I don't know if you can see that. It just fills everything in really nicely. This method is so freaking cool. When I saw it, I was like, I could pull this off. I mean, unless base coat has ingredients or chemicals in it that nail glue does, then yeah, I could just do this. Even if I wanted to do an acrylic set with tips, now I don't have to worry like, okay, I'm in the mood to use tips and I'll do that instead of forms. Then I can just do that. I can just slap on some tips with a little bit of base and then file it and do my prep like usual and use acrylic. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, here's when I'll let you watch this so you can see how I shape and file. But again, do this before that first base that I was talking about that I just did. Do it before and then start fresh with your first base, okay? I'll let you watch. Oh, really quick. One more thing is you can also go back in with the file after you've done the first coat, like I am here, and then just kind of clean up the edges and make sure you're filing off any of the residue that's like gotten onto your skin. This way, you know, you have a cleaner application and you don't have to worry about doing it so much later when you do the final filing. So I just wanted to throw that in there, okay? And I know I said that the powder gets on the tacky layer and then you have to wipe it off later. But I guess you kind of do have to go in and file after the first coat. The main thing of doing this, of prepping your nails or filing them and blending the nail tip before the first base, is so that you don't get that uneven application or see that little bump. Because it's always a little higher than your natural nail when you use these tips, okay? And so as you can see here, I am going over with alcohol and just cleaning up all of that powder that I had gotten on the nails. So I'm just cleaning that up and cleaning my nail station or the surface. Clean everything up. And then I go in with another layer. And this is just really just trying to build the nail. And by the way, I mean, obviously I have them on right now and they feel so sturdy. Like these things aren't coming off, okay? It feels so sturdy. So it's very beneficial, like I said, for someone that wants to have a cute, quick set. You have a party or a wedding or I don't know, whatever it is, you can slap these on and have a really cute little set. Here I decided to just go with foil. I was kind of being a little lazy. I knew that it might stick to the tacky layer, and I was like, I'll just do that. And then do 2 more coats. I end up doing 2 more coats, and then I file and buff and then do top coat. But you'll see that later on. But I just wanted to mention that you can do stamping. Stamping would be really cute if you don't know how to freehand. You could do stamping. I think you might even be able to use gel polish. I'm not sure if Femi Beauty uses gel polish. I think she did. But you could use gel polish, or you can use those acrylic, like those little acrylic paints, and draw a little design if you can and practice. And then you can still put the 2 layers of base over it to build the gel. It's basically to build the nail more so that your design has a protective layer, and then you go in and file it and buff it, and then you do your top coat last. So I will let you watch that process carefully. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video and it was helpful somehow to you. And yeah, I hope that you will stick around. Don't forget about the giveaway, guys. Just share with everyone, let them know. I'm doing a nice giveaway. You have to comment on that video. I'm doing a random selector. You have to be 18 and above, and the money will be deposited in a PayPal account. And yeah, so it's my 1K giveaway, but I decided to announce it before. So share and make sure you subscribe. I upload videos to try to help you, and I try to mix it up here and there. So just subscribe, help me grow. The giveaway is going to be coming soon. And yeah, who doesn't want $100, an extra $100? Take a crack at it. Why not, right? But anyways, thanks for being here. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.